Split degree. Imagine we are back in the universe of mathematics, where numbers reign supreme. In this realm, infinity is not an endpoint, but a boundless expanse that stretches indefinitely. It is the canvas upon which all mathematical expressions are painted. Now, consider the idea of dividing infinity. At first glance, it might seem paradoxical. How can one divide something that knows no bounds? However, in the mathematical cosmos, such operations are not only possible but also incredibly revealing. Let's start by dividing infinity by a finite number. Take any finite number, say 2, and attempt to divide infinity by it. What happens? As you increase the divisor, 3, 4, 5, and so on, the result of this division approaches 0. In other words, no matter how large the divisor becomes, the quotient gets closer and closer to 0, but it never quite reaches it. This demonstrates that infinity divided by a finite number equals a infinitesimal quantity. Now, let's explore the notion of different infinites at varying degrees. Think of infinity not as a singular entity, but as a spectrum of infinitudes. There are different degrees of infinity, each more extensive than the last. For example, imagine two sets of numbers. One contains all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, and the other contains all the real numbers between 0 and 1, including fractions and decimals. Both sets are infinite, but they exhibit different degrees of infinity. The set of real numbers between 0 and 1 is actually a larger infinity than the set of natural numbers. This concept is often illustrated using Cantor's diagonal argument, a mathematical proof that demonstrates the existence of varying degrees of infinity within the realm of real numbers. So, numbers themselves can be seen as infinites given a fixed degree within this universe of mathematics. Each number is like a point on the infinite number line, occupying a unique position based on its magnitude. Some infinites are larger and more expansive than others, but all exist harmoniously within the infinite tapestry of mathematics. In summary, in the realm of mathematics, infinity is not an absolute but a dynamic concept that allows for operations like division and reveals the existence of different degrees of infinites. This intricate interplay between numbers and infinity continues to captivate mathematicians and philosophers, illuminating the boundless beauty of mathematical exploration. Thank you. This has been Kim.